Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium easily. First, familiarize yourself with your instrument's main components, like the bellows and keyboard. Find a comfortable sitting position with good posture, allowing easy reach. Practice pumping the bellows with a steady, even motion to create a continuous airflow. This consistent air pressure is crucial for producing a clear and sustained sound from your harmonium. Now, let's play your first notes. Press down one key gently while maintaining a steady bellows pump. Try playing simple scales, such as the C major scale, moving up and down the keyboard. Concentrate on keeping an even rhythm between notes and consistent air pressure from the bellows. This helps develop finger independence and a smooth, connected sound. Next, we'll explore simple chords and melodies. Start by learning basic three-note chords, like C major and G major. Practice switching between these chords smoothly, ensuring each note sounds clear. Then, try playing very simple, familiar melodies using just a few notes. This builds your musical vocabulary and helps you understand how notes combine to create music. Consistent practice is key to progress. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of dedicated practice each day. Actively listen to your playing to identify any areas needing improvement, such as uneven rhythm or inconsistent sound. Explore the many online tutorials and harmonium resources available to deepen your understanding and expand your repertoire. Enjoy your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.